What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
A shiny penny!
My missing sock!
What are you kids up to?
Couch diving.
Yeah, we're finding things that got lost.
Look, a scuba mask.
Oh, that's where that is. Cool.
We found all there is to be found.
Now what?
Let's make up a story.
Yeah, about the land of lost socks.
Once upon a time lived Spider Prince Bugster of Buglandia,
A very disorganized prince.
who was always mixing things up.
For lunch, he had a spaghetti and peanut butter sandwich.
And a bowl of jelly and meatballs.
Prince Bugster wanted to go to the big bug ball, but the bug queen said,
Bun Bun, your socks don't match. This is unacceptable for such a formal occasion.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the 6th one? Well, maybe 5 out of 6 is enough.
We're the Sock Set Singers, and we've got soul.
Whether you've got 2 feet or 30,
Whether your feet are clean or dirty,
Whether your feet are round or square.
socks and feet.
hey, where's Leroy?
We can't finish our song without him.
And I can't go to the big bug ball without him. Mother, I must travel to the land of lost socks to retrieve my footwear.
Farewell, brave Bun Bun. The journey is long and difficult.
Then I shall take 2 loyal pages with me.
Hey, we can be the pages.
And go on a quest.
Yeah. What's a quest?
An adventure where you search for something.
Like a sock?
Why not?
Go, kitties, let's go!
So Prince Bugster and his loyal pages set off, passing through the paradise of misplaced pencil stubs.
Pointy! Ouch! I should have worn shoes.
And through the country of gone checkers.
Cool. And smooth. Until they arrived at the land of lost socks.
So this is where they'll end up.
The ones that aren't in the couch.
All right, pages. Find a sock that matches these 5.
I see it.
Over there.
Well, I spent a month in the laundry basket and no one noticed.
You think that's bad? I was stuck in a pillowcase for 3 years.
Here you are. Time to go.
With you? But you didn't take care of me. I was all stretched out and stinky.
You're right.
If I go with you, I'll end up covered with lint, suffering from static cling, full of holes and
No, I'm a new bug. I'll treat you better.
He's changed.
Really?
I promise to wash you gently by hand, dry you on a clothesline in the warm sun, and here, it's my new system to keep socks organized.
Well,
we're the Sock Set Singers, and we've got soul.
Whether you've got 2 feet or 30,
Whether your feet are clean or dirty,
Whether your feet are round or square.
socks and feet.
Make a perfect pair.
Come on, it's time to get dressed.
Quite presentable, Bun Bun. You may go to the big bug ball.
So the 6th sock learned that people and bugs can change if they try.
And everyone deserves a second chance.
Would you like to dance?
Would I?
Cool.
I knitted them myself.
What a great story.
Sure was. But there's something missing.
Yeah, there is.
and I found it.
The end.
Where will we go? Who will we be? be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go. Come on, stop it.
Come on, stop it.
No, you.
No, you.
What's up, kittens?
What's up, kittens?
Run out of things to do?
Run out of things to do?
Can you stop that, Kit?
Can you stop that, Kit?
Hey, why don't we make up a story?
Why don't we make up a story?
Great idea. I wish I thought of that.
How about an adventure?
Yeah, an adventure. In the jungle.
In the jungle, with a parrot.
You can say that again.
With a parrot.
No, Kit. That's the name of the story. You can say that again.
Once upon a time, deep in the jungle,
The jelly bean jungle.
lived a parrot.
Make that 2 parrots.
And it was a special day.
Today is our birthday. Today is our birthday. And we need a cake. We need a cake. Let's call the bakery.
Ring, 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 ring. Pick it up.
Oh, right. Hello, Jelly Bean Jungle Bakery. You'd like a jelly bean cake with jelly bean icing? No problem.
Come on, Kit. We have a birthday cake to deliver. Go, kitties, let's go. Special delivery. 1 jelly bean cake.
For 2 special birthday parrots.
Wowza!
So, who's coming to your birthday party?
No one. Everyone's mean in this jungle. Everyone's mean in this jungle.
Really? What's so bad about that monkey?
Well, he's so greedy. So greedy.
Wait a minute. I am not greedy.
And your hands are very dirty. You need to clean them. You need to clean them.
Leave me alone.
Hey, monkey, give us some banana. Give us some banana.
Why would you want a banana from such dirty hands?
See? Told you he's greedy. Told you he's greedy.
Well, how about that lion? He looks nice.
Maybe he would come to your party.
Nope, he's really mean. Really mean. You'll see. Your mane is such a mess. You really should comb it. Really should comb it. Told you he's mean. Told you. We try to be helpful, and nobody wants to be our friends.
Well, you could try to say something positive.
Yeah, something you like instead of what you don't like.
It will never work. It will never work.
Well, why don't you try it? Just look at each other and tell the other what you see.
You have a funny beak. You have a funny beak.
Your feathers are beautiful.
Your feathers are beautiful. My feathers are beautiful. My feathers are beautiful. Thank you. No, thank you.
Well?
Maybe using different words could help. It could help. Hello, monkey. Hello, lion. Isn't it a lovely day?
Yes, it is a lovely day.
Aren't you gonna say something else?
Yes. If you'd stay for our birthday party, we would love it. We would love it.
We'd love to.
They'd love to.
Ready?
Ready!
Happy birthday!
Who wants jelly bean juice?
I do.
I do.
I do. I do.
This cake is yummy.
You can say that again.
Okay, yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy!
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy.
And the parrots and their new friends had a positively great time.
A positively great time.
The end.
The end.
We can say that again.
The end.